Welcome to a new episode. Today I'm gonna tell you top 10 insane amazing looking life hacks that you have never seen before. So without wasting any time, let's get the video started. Did you know that you can just call back the last dialer just by tapping on the dial icon? Or you can just switch between tabs just by swiping on the address bar in Chrome. So these are some of the amazing life hacks that I use every day, and I hope you all will enjoy it as much as I do. Then, like if you have a photo of a URL and you don't want to type in the whole address, just take in a screenshot of that URL, go to Google Play Store, and there you have to download Google Lens. It is a very good app by Google. You have to just download this app, and when the app is downloaded, click on the top right icon which shows like a gallery icon, and then you have to select the screenshot, and then you can just resize it, and boom, just resize this screenshot, and then you can see at the bottom you get a search button. Just tap on the search button and it will search the link for you. So it is very convenient. You don't have to type the whole address, and it is just amazingly very convenient for everybody. Then, like in case you are like studying or doing math and you just quickly want to check the time, just pick up a smartphone and boom, there is the time. So this is for Moto users and for all the users as well. How everybody will get this, let me show you. Just you have to go in Play Store and search Always On AMOLED. This is a very good app. So you have to just install this app, and this one you can see the Always On AMOLED app. You have to install this, and once the app is installed, let's just wait for the app to install. Then you can see this is the app. You have to open this app, and here in this app you have to give all the permissions it asks. Actually it asks for around 4 permissions, and then you have to give all the permissions it asks, and then this is how the app looks. Then you have to just press on this button here, and boom, this is how the screen will look. Now while studying, just take a glance, and boom, the time is in front of you. Then the next life hack is this one. Like you quickly saw something like, let's say, a pen, and you quickly want to take an image of it. Just twist your wrist, double tap. This is for Moto users only, but then you can just take an image of that, and this is very useful. Then let's talk about another life hack. It may work with every user and also for Xiaomi users like Redmi. You want to share the Wi-Fi password, but you're not knowing what is the password of the Wi-Fi. Just go here, and boom, it will show you the QR code, and you can scan it on any device and you can connect it very easily. So it is a very good feature, and hope everybody should like at least give it a try. Then while sleeping, you should enable this mode, airplane mode, as you can see, and small icon of airplane is there. You have to just enable this mode, and this will stop the radiations of it. And then the last one is like very good. Just go here in gadget screen and turn that red button to subscribe, and then it will become green. I just love it. Thanks for watching. Peace.